So now in my previous video I have already told you there are 4 ways to do a recursion relation. Now I will start with substitution method. I have taken an example. I will show you how substitution method works. Okay, so this is our example. Tn is less than equal to 2c floor of n by 2. Okay, what that floor means? Floor of n by 2. So this is floor and this is seal. So change my pen 1 second. So floor means, let's say if it is 2.7 and we take floor, it will be 2.0, like only 2, nothing 0. So 2, it will take the lowest value, or if we take let's say 2.7 seal value, this is floor, this is seal. So seal value will take 3 and floor value it will take 2, because this is just to round off the figure. We are taking floor or seal. It will be more helpful in operating systems and all. It will have more value there. So now just think it like this. Floor means see, in our room, if you are standing in a room, and floor means it's at the bottom and ceiling means it is at the top. So floor value will take the lowest value and seal value will take the digit greater than the present in decimal point. So this is our floor and seal. So now let's look at this example here. So the recurrence relation is given: Tn 2c floor of n by 2, then log floor of n by 2 plus n. Okay, so if we drop this floor value, it will increase. Obviously I have told you. So if we drop this floor value, 2c n by 2 log of n by 2 plus n. So this 2 will get cancelled out. 2 log n by 2 plus n. So here look carefully, log this, if you remember log values, so log of n by 2. Okay, so yeah, it will be log, base will be 2. I haven't written, but base is always taken as 2. So now it can be written as log of n base 2 minus log of 2 base 2. When division is there, it can be written as minus, and same way if it is multiply, it is plus. Okay, so this is our answer. And so now it is coming as log n base 2 minus 1. Log 2 means 1. So log 2 base 2 is 1. So here we can put it like this: log 2 n base 2 minus 1 plus n. So it is coming as, sorry I missed, okay, so n was there, c dot n dot this. So c dot n log n base 2 minus cn plus n. So with more examples it will be more clear. So here you can see that, see, n log n is greater than n. So it will, if we take this value, it will be less than equal to this value. So we can write it as c dot n log n base 2 is our answer. So it was asked, right, show that Tn is, this is Tn, this is Tn, Tn and Tn. So Tn is less than equal to c dot log n base 2. So in this way, this is substitution method. In if we go and do it in Master's theorem, it will be like, it is in Master's theorem like way you can put just the answer. You don't have to do all this. With example it will be clear. So now for this you can just take a note of it and you can do more examples on this.